Top 7 Players and PGA Tour Insights. 1. Scottie Scheffler. His strategic approach to the game, combined with intense practice and dedication, showcases why he is considered one of the best players in the world today. 2. Xander Schauffele. With several potential major wins on the horizon, Schauffele's ascent in the rankings is a reflection of his hard work, dedication, and a keen understanding of the game, making him one of the standout players of the season. 3. Rory McIlroy. His relentless pursuit of excellence not only keeps him competitive but also inspires a new generation of golfers. McIlroy's journey is marked by resilience, skill, and an unwavering passion for the sport. 4. Collin Morikawa. Morikawa's disciplined approach to training and competition, coupled with his youthful enthusiasm, positions him well for continued success on the PGA Tour as he aims to secure more victories and climb even higher in the rankings. 5. Ludwig Aberg. As he continues to hone his craft and gain experience on the tour, Aberg is poised to become a significant force in professional golf, inspiring many aspiring golfers in the process. 6. Jon Rahm. As he continues to refine his skills and enhance his mental game, Rahm's determination to win more titles and further elevate his ranking makes him a formidable contender on the PGA Tour. 7. Cameron Smith. His unique playing style, characterized by creativity and finesse, allows him to navigate various courses effectively. Smith's consistent performance in tournaments has solidified his reputation as a reliable competitor on the PGA Tour. For more information, visit www.pouted.com.